Lacrosse ball work for the lower body, really going to work just a couple of areas. You can do your calves with the lacrosse ball in a couple of ways, so I'll show you that. So we're going to come down, we're going to bring the ball onto the floor, and we're just going to roll through the calves, up into the back of the knee as well. Some nice spots around there that you can get into. Again, just literally rolling down that soft tissue with the ball. If you find spots that are particularly sore, you can work on those areas with the ball. You can bring the other leg on top, which makes it a little bit harder. Then we're going to go into the glutes. So this is a nice one for getting into the hip area. So what we're going to do is bring the ball onto the floor. The easier way of doing this is with the foot underneath. Okay, so I can really control my body weight with my hands and with my other foot. What you can do to make it harder is bring this leg on top. Again, that usually puts a little bit more weight through and just makes that release a little bit stronger. So again, what you can do is hold positions, try and relax, allow that to just sink in, allow the nerves to respond to that, but essentially it's just into the outside of the hip here. Then we're going to go into the front of the hip. So we're going to go into the front of the hip here. Again, this one, we'll just come in, find that bony point at the front of your hip. Then you're going to come in a couple of centimetres from there, onto the ball, foot into the hand, and we're just going to squeeze the bum on that left hand side down towards the floor, and then relax. So we're just squeezing the bum. As we do that, you'll feel the ball more in that hip region, and relax. Okay, so we're just getting into the hip. Again, with all these, you do it for the amount of repetitions required, or you do it for a period of time. You can work as well into certain parts of the quads, so using your hands to get into the quad muscle. I would say you're working really with the lacrosse ball for lower body, calves, glutes on the outside here, into our hip flexors, and that is your lacrosse ball work for your lower body.